My video will provide you with instructions to remove the ransomware called Spider. The video will give you the explanation of what exactly this ransomware does with the files. I'm not related to this ransomware and I'm not promoting it. Before the ransomware's attack, you're able to open your files without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Regretfully, because of the ransomware's attack, very soon the files get damaged and encrypted by this ransomware. So the ransomware appends this special Spider1 extension to the file names. Then it tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom, supposedly for file restoration, but of course paying the ransom is not a good idea. Do not waste your money and do not pay the ransom. What I recommend you to do is to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus applications such as Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. So download the software, install the application, and once it is successfully installed, start carefully researching the computer. Combo Cleaner will be initially in the trial mode and only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. So you need to click on the start scan button and then the application will begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. After you start Combo Cleaner, the application will most likely first of all update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of all possible threats that could be on your computer. Pay attention to the fact that Combo Cleaner is available for all popular operating systems: Mac, Windows, Android, and iOS. So after you click on the start scan button, the antivirus database will be updated first of all, and then the scanning will begin. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how many hard drives are available. It may depend on the system parameters of your computer. Finally, at the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the infections which were found on your system. Based on the summary of threats, you'll be able to know the information about the locations of threats. Some threats can be removed manually, but definitely I recommend you to consider upgrading to the premium license. With premium license, for instance, there is an excellent anti-ransomware feature which helps to always keep your data protected. You can add certain folders on your system and the contents of these folders will be always under the protection against ransomware attacks. And Combo Cleaner works extremely and exceptionally well when it comes to identifying contemporary threats like adware, ransomware, all sorts of annoying pop-ups. Combo Cleaner fixes browser redirection issues. And definitely, what is exceptionally valuable, Combo Cleaner is able to protect your data, all your cherished and valuable information that you store on your hard drive. So use Combo Cleaner for cleaning your system and for protecting your system against all types of malware.